Hello everyone and welcome to an episode of Investigation. In today's episode of Investigation, we'll go over 2022 AMC 10B number 15. So, in this problem, it says, let Sn be the sum of the first n term of an arithmetic sequence that has a common difference of 2. The quotient S3n over Sn does not depend on n, and we're asked, what is S20? So, let's think about it. The arithmetic sequence that has a common difference of 2. Let's say the first term is a. Then the next term is going to be a plus 2, a plus 4, ... all the way to a plus. How many common differences are there? For n terms, we have n minus 1 common differences times 2 of that. So, Sn is equal to the first term plus the last term times number of terms divided by 2. And you can see over here that is just equal to, that will be a plus n minus 1 times n. So S3n is going to be a plus 3n minus 1 times 3n. So the ratio S3n over Sn is going to be, that's right, it is going to be 3n times a plus 3n minus 1 over n times a plus n minus 1, which is equal to 3 times a plus 3n minus 1 over a plus n minus 1. Okay, so we're told that this does not depend on n. So we can just plug in n's and it does not depend on n, so it should be the same for all n, right? So 3 times a plus 3n minus 1 over a plus n minus 1. If we have n equals 1, then in that case it will be 3 times a plus 3 minus 1, or 2, over a plus 1 minus 1, which is a. If we have n equals 2, then we have 3 times, now it will be a plus 6 minus 1, or a plus 5, over, that will be a plus 1. So these have to be the same. So a plus 2 over a is equal to a plus 5 over a plus 1. Or we have a squared plus 3a plus 2 is equal to a squared plus 5a. Or this means that 2a is equal to 2, or a is equal to 1. So now, if we plug it back into our equation over here, then we know Sn is equal to 3 times 1 minus 1. So this cancels out, times 3n over n. Of course, now n cancels out, so that is just going to be equal to 9. Well, I mean, S3n over Sn. There is the mistake. S3n over Sn is equal to 9. Okay, so now it is a constant. It does not depend on n. All right, now let's just take a look at Sn. And Sn here is equal to a plus that. So it is equal to just n squared, right? It is the sum of odd numbers, basically. And S20 is going to be 20 squared, which gives us 400. And that is going to be answer choice D. All right, that is it for this problem. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, please also subscribe to my channel as well. I would greatly appreciate it. With that being said, have a great day and goodbye. I will see you next time.